Dear students, this is module number 168 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And the title of this module is Comparing Employee Engagement with Other Constructs, Engagement versus Job Satisfaction, and some other constructs. I hope if you are watching these lectures in a series, so it is easy for you to remember what I am talking about and what are the basics or fundamental concepts behind this comparison. So we say that okay, in order to gain better understanding of engagement, it is worth considering how it compares with and differs from other related constructs. Again, I'm using a terminology that is constructs. So, constructs, I say, for example, job satisfaction, employee motivation, organization performance, organizational citizenship behavior, organization employee loyalty. These all are constructs, and they all have definitions, and they all have measures. So that's why they all have been studied widely and empirically. So that's why there are hundreds and thousands of constructs in social sciences, in psychological sciences, in economical science, in economics, and as well as in the organizational sciences. So now the question is whether employee engagement, when you say employees are physically engaged or employees are psychologically engaged, whether it is the same thing what we had in the past. For example, employee commitment. Is employee commitment different from engagement? Job satisfaction. Is employee job satisfaction is different from engagement? Similarly, for example, you say in commitment and job satisfaction, are these two different? Seems yes, these are two different things. But what about employee engagement and these constructs? So we name these four things which have been compared because it looks like that employee engagement is very similar or very close to these constructs. I have not said yet whether employee engagement is a separate construct or not. I'm just provoking you guys to think about whether it is or not. So, but we will compare it and we will see that what researchers suggest. Guest 2014, he writes an article and he suggested that this could be a fashion and fade which may stay for some time and later it may disappear, because if it is something not new, people will talk about it and people will measure it, but later it will disappear. Guest has also pointed out that it might be the job of the consultancy or consultant firms. They want to, create the hype that employee engagement is very important. Employee engagement is the only solution for your organization, and you need to do this and you need to do that for having an employee engagement. So it is the consultancy firms because they want to make money and they want to give consultancy to the organizations. It might be because of that reason there is a hype in the employee engagement. They want to sell this concept. They want to sell this idea. But on the other hand, some people believe that it might be a separate construct. So job satisfaction has been referred to as a state of personal fulfillment in relation to one's job, satisfaction with both extrinsic factors and intrinsic factors. This is what job satisfaction is. And it looks like that it's not talking about physical engagement, it's not talking about energy. And it looks like that when we say job satisfaction and employee engagement, we may see that it's a similar thing or the same thing. But if we really see the definition or if we really see what job satisfaction is, then we may see that both are different. Secondly, engagement implies not merely satiation, but also activation. So satiation is when you are really having some kind of satisfaction with something. So when we compare with the other constructs, for example, organizational citizenship behavior, we will also see that how organizational citizenship behavior is different from job satisfaction, or how job satisfaction is different from employee engagement and employee commitment. So if you look at the definitions of employee engagement and if you look at the definitions of job satisfaction, so firstly, engagement is a multi-dimensional construct. When we talk about job satisfaction, it is a unidimensional, whether you are satisfied or not satisfied from your work. So there are not different dimensions of satisfaction, and comprising feelings, cognition, and behaviors. And we can also relate with the employee engagement definition that it is hard to find if there is anything like cognitive involvement. When you are satisfied, you are satisfied. It's not your cognitive involvement in the job. You are not putting your intellectual efforts in the job. You are not putting your physical efforts in the job. Job satisfaction is the outcome of something. So in other words, you are satisfied or not satisfied, it is the outcome of organizational practices or something. When we talk about engagement, it is a psychological state, or it is something how you feel about when you are at work. So, or how much energy and commitment and dedication you give to your work. So it looks like that on a fair grounds that it's not because of the three different facets of employee engagement. It is different from job satisfaction. Thank you.